Hi, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Anthony Sawa. I come from the United States. I live in Texas, and I came all the way here. I came all the way here to Istanbul to Dr. Tayfun's hair clinic, and I got my first hair transplant.
Thank you, Anthony. And could you tell us, please, about how was your procedure yesterday? So today you are here for washing, which is your first washing after the procedure. Tell us, please, about how it was yesterday.
It actually went very smooth. When I got here, I was welcomed by my coordinator, and then I met the doctor, and then I met a whole team of staff that all helped me very well yesterday. So that was great. I was welcomed, and the whole procedure was very professional, and it was very smooth. I really didn't feel too much pain at all. The anesthesia worked pretty well, thankfully, and the whole procedure went pretty smooth. I was very thankful for that.
Did you have pain after the procedure when you went back to the hotel?
Just a little bit. I kind of had like a headache, kind of, but other than that, like nothing out of the ordinary. That's kind of to be expected with such a procedure like this. So I mean, either way, I'm satisfied.
Yeah. And Anthony, could you tell us, please, how did you find our clinic?
Sure. So when searching for hair clinics, especially internationally, I was very careful about this. So what was most important to me was finding a hair clinic that was certified, that was trained with staff, and of course the doctor itself. So it was very important to me to find a doctor that was certified by the ISHRS, and that way I found Dr. Tayfun's clinic, and then I spoke to my coordinator and was able to find a great operation price and whole operation, and I was very satisfied that way. So honestly, what brought me here was the credentials and certification. So the doctor has over 20 years of experience and also is certified. So that's definitely what brought me here.
Yeah. And what do you think? Is it really good for people living in the United States or in Canada to come here? Is it really cheap, or sometimes people think that there is no big difference between the costs? So what do you think about this?
Well, there's a giant difference between the costs. So there's popular hair companies in the U.S. like Bosley, and they charge north of $10,000 to $30,000. But let's not forget that Turkey itself is the #1 country for hair transplants in the world. So that's kind of what brought me here, because Turkey has a huge, it's huge for hair transplants, and it's like the center of the world for it. So it just made sense for me to come over here and deal with trained professionals that have experience, such as Dr. Tayfun, who's dealt with over 15,000 patients. Yeah. So it just makes sense.
Okay. So Anthony, and of course we ask about your recommendations. What would you recommend us to change, or what we can do to make our services better? What would you recommend about this?
I was honestly pretty satisfied. Maybe I'm an easily satisfiable person, but I was very satisfied with everything. I was treated very well. Everyone was very friendly. The hotel that I got was very nice.
Yeah.
Istanbul is a beautiful city. Great people, great food.
Yeah.
There's just
food is amazing.
Yeah, food is great. I really had no complaints.
So, Anthony, thank you for coming. Thank you for choosing our clinic. It's really nice to see you here, and we believe that if you like Istanbul, if you loved our team, we believe that we will see you in the future.
Well, hopefully not, but
not for hair transplant. Just you can, when you come to Istanbul, you can visit our clinic, or maybe I will just see you in the United States.
Please do.
So thank you. Take care.
Thank you.